Hello there, nature enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the watery world of some fascinating creatures, crustaceans. Imagine a world filled with animals wearing suits of armor. That's what it's like in the ocean, rivers, and even on land for crustaceans. Crustaceans are a large group of animals that belong to the arthropod family. You might know some of them very well. They're the crabs scuttling across the beach, the lobsters hiding in rocky crevices, and the shrimp darting through coral reefs. But there's a whole lot more to these amazing creatures than meets the eye. Crustaceans are incredibly diverse, with thousands of different species. Some are tiny, like the krill that whales feast on. Others, like the Japanese spider crab, can grow to be absolutely massive. So, get ready for an exciting journey as we explore the world of crustaceans, from their unique characteristics to their important role in our ecosystem. One of the things that makes crustaceans so fascinating is the tough outer shell called an exoskeleton. This hard exoskeleton acts like a suit of armor, protecting them from predators. But this armor has another important function. It provides support for their bodies, much like our skeletons do. Unlike our bones, which are inside our bodies, a crustacean skeleton is on the outside. This exoskeleton is made of a tough material called chitin. As the crustacean grows bigger, its exoskeleton becomes too tight. So what do? They molt. Molting is when a crustacean sheds its old exoskeleton and grows a new one. It's a fascinating process that allows them to keep growing throughout their lives. Now let's talk about what's under that tough armor. Crustaceans have segmented bodies, which means their bodies are divided into different parts, just like insects. These segments are usually the head, thorax, and abdomen. Attached to their bodies are several pairs of jointed legs. These legs are incredibly versatile. Some crustaceans use their legs for walking, while others use them for swimming, grasping food, or even fighting. Crustaceans also have two pairs of antennae. These sensitive appendages help them explore their surroundings, find food, and even communicate with each other. And if you look closely at their heads, you'll notice they have compound eyes, which means their eyes are made up of many tiny lenses. This gives them a wide field of vision, allowing them to see all around them. Now that we know a bit more about what makes a crustacean, let's meet some of the most well-known members of this amazing group. First up, we have the crabs. With their 10 legs, including their iconic claws, and sideways walking, crabs are easily recognizable. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny hermit crab to the giant Japanese spider crab. Next, we have the lobsters, those delicious denizens of the deep. Lobsters are known for their long bodies, powerful tails, and of course their large claws. They use their claws for defense and for crushing their prey. And let's not forget about shrimp. These crustaceans are smaller than crabs and lobsters, but they're just as fascinating. Shrimp are found in all the world's oceans and are an important food source for many animals, including humans. Section 5. From ocean depths to rocky shores, crustacean habitats. Crustaceans are incredibly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats all over the world. Most crustaceans live in marine environments, which means they live in the ocean. They can be found in shallow coastal waters, the deep sea, and everything in between. Some crustaceans, like barnacles, even attach themselves to rocks, boats, and even whales. But not all crustaceans live in the ocean. Some species, like crayfish, live in freshwater habitats like rivers, lakes, and streams. And then there are land crabs, which, as their name suggests, live on land. Section 6. Tiny critters, big impact crustaceans as vital parts of the food web. Crustaceans might seem small and insignificant, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. They are an important part of the food web, both as predators and prey. Many marine animals, including fish, whales, and seabirds, rely on crustaceans as a primary food source. For example, krill, tiny shrimp-like crustaceans, are a vital food source for baleen whales, which filter massive amounts of water to consume these tiny creatures. Crustaceans also help to control populations of other animals by preying on them. Crabs, for example, are scavengers and help to clean up the ocean floor by eating dead animals. Section 7. Crustaceans on our plates, a culinary journey. For many people around the world, crustaceans are not just fascinating creatures, but also a delicious source of food. From fancy restaurants to casual seafood shacks, crustaceans are a popular menu item. Lobster, crab and shrimp are considered delicacies in many cultures and are enjoyed in countless ways. Whether it's steamed lobster with melted butter, spicy crab cakes or garlicky shrimp scampi, there's a crustacean dish out there for everyone. However, it's important to remember that overfishing can have a negative impact on crustacean populations. Sustainable fishing practices are crucial to ensure that these delicious creatures remain plentiful for generations to come. Section 8. The importance of conservation, protecting our crustacean friends. Crustaceans, like many other animals on our planet, face threats from human activities. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change are all putting pressure on crustacean populations. It's essential that we take steps to protect these fascinating creatures. Reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and keeping our waterways clean are just a few ways we can help. By learning more about crustaceans and appreciating their importance, we can all do our part to ensure that these armored wonders continue to thrive in our oceans, rivers, and lakes for many years to come. Section 9. Fun facts about crustaceans. Get ready to be amazed. Ready for some amazing crustacean trivia? Here are some fun facts that will blow your mind. Did you know that the pistol shrimp can snap its claws so fast that it creates a sound louder than a jet engine? This sonic blast stuns its prey and can even make water boil. The Japanese spider crab has the largest leg span of any arthropod, reaching up to 12 feet. That's longer than a car. Barnacles, those strange creatures that attach themselves to rocks and boats, are actually crustaceans, not mollusks. They start their lives as free-swimming larvae before settling down and building their hard shells. Some species of crabs are known to decorate their shells with algae, sponges, and even small animals. This camouflage helps them blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Krill, those tiny crustaceans that whales love to eat, are bioluminescent, which means they can produce their own light. This creates a spectacular underwater light show. So there you have it. Crustaceans are truly amazing creatures, full of surprises and vital to the health of our planet. Next time you see a crab on the beach or enjoy a delicious shrimp dinner, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating and important members of the animal kingdom.